So now we look at the example. Okay, in the diagram, given the angle BAF equal to 110 degree, angle ACF equal to 40 degree, angle BFC equal to 20 degree, and angle CFD equal to 10 degree. So we need to determine the angle of ABF, and then angle of BFA, angle of CAD, and angle of BAF. First, we look at angle ABF. How to determine the angle of ABF? So we look at where is the angle of ABF. ABF. So this is the angle of ABF. First, we look at where the angle ABF subtend. Okay, so angle ABF is subtend by arc AF. Okay, so angle ABF subtend by arc AF. So now we look at another angle which subtend by the same arc. Okay, so ACF also subtend by arc AF. So from the properties, we know that angles which subtend on the same arc are equal. Thus, angle ABF equal to the angle of ACF, which is 40 degree. Okay, so angle here is also 40 degree. Same goes to another angle which subtend to arc AF. So another angle is ADF. ADF also 40 degree. AEF also subtend by the same arc, so AEF also 40 degree. So now we look at the next question. How to determine the angle of BFA? Where is angle of BFA? BFA. So this is the angle of BFA. So we need to identify the angle of BFA. So BFA, for this question, we simply look at the triangle ABF. So I have the another two angle is complete, 40 degree and 110 degree. So total interior angle of this triangle is 180 degree. This angle ABF equal to 180 degree. Equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree minus 40 degree. This angle BFA equal to 30 degree. Okay, so angle here is 30 degree. Okay, now how to determine the angle of CAD? Angle CAD. Where is angle CAD? CAD. So this is angle CAD. CAD. We look at where angle CAD is subtend to. So angle CAD is subtend by arc CD. So we look at another angle which subtend to the same arc, which is CFD. So given that CFD equal to 10 degree, thus angle CAD also equal to 10 degree. CAD equal to 10 degree. Okay, next we look at how to determine the angle of DAF. We look at angle of DAF. So this is the angle of DAF. How to determine the angle of DAF? DAF subtend on arc DF. There's no other angle which is subtend to arc DF. So we look at the another alternative. So ADF form a triangle. So we look at this triangle. Look at this triangle. we know that total interior angle equal to 180 degree, which is ADF plus this angle and plus this angle equal to 180 degree. Thus angle DAF equal to 180 minus 40 degree minus 30 degree minus 20 degree minus 10 degree. Thus angle DAF equal to 180 minus 40, 140, 110, 90 degree, 80 degree. Thus angle DAF equal to 80 degree. So now we look at the example. Given that RS is twice the length of arc QR, and then given angle QPR equal to 35 degree and angle PSQ equal to 45 degree, we need to determine the angle of SPR and angle SRP. SPR, okay, angle SPR and angle SRP. Okay, first we look at angle SPR. Angle SPR is subtend by arc RS. Okay, we know that arc RS is twice of arc QR. Okay, so now we look at angle QPR. Angle QPR is subtend on arc QR, which is 35 degree, where angle SPR is subtend by arc RS. So from the properties, we know that the size of an angle at the circumference subtended by an arc is proportional to the arc length. Okay, since the arc of RS is twice of the arc of QR, this the angle subtended by arc RS also twice of the angle subtended by arc QR. Okay, since the angle of QPR is 35 degree, thus the angle of SPR is twice of this angle, so angle of SPR equal to 70 degree. Next, how to determine the angle of SRP. Okay, so we look at angle SRP. SRP is subtend by arc PS, where angle PQR also subtend by the same arc. Okay, so angle SRP equal to angle SQP. So now we look at angle SQP. Angle SQP subtend by arc PS or chord PS. So PQS form a triangle. And we know that the total interior angle of triangle is 180 degree. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. This angle A equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree minus 35 degree minus 45 degree. Okay, this angle A equal to 30 degree. Okay, angle A equal to 30 degree. Since both angles subtend by the same arc, thus angle SRP also equal to 30 degree. So look at the example. Okay, given that center O, and then given that the angle subtended by the major arc equal to 250 degree. So we need to identify the value of X, angle Y, and angle Z. So, okay, first we look at angle X. Okay, angle X equal to, okay, angle of complete circle equal to 360 degree. This angle X equal to 360 minus 250 degree. 360 degree minus 250 degree. This X equal to 110 degree. Okay, so angle X equal to 110 degree. Okay, now we look at angle Y. Okay, so angle Y subtend on this arc. Okay, same goes to this angle. Angle X 110 degree. Okay, from the properties, we know that the size of the angle at the center of a circle subtended by the same arc, is twice the size of angle at the circumference. So angle Y at the circumference, angle X at the center. So angle at center of the circle is twice the angle of this angle at the circumference. This angle Y equal to 110 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 55 degree. Okay, so angle Y equal to 55 degree. Okay, so now we look at angle Z. Okay, angle Z is subtend by the major arc. Okay, subtend by the major arc, which is equal to this angle. Okay, this angle, the angle 250 degree, also subtend by the major arc. So the difference between this angle and this angle is both subtend by the same arc, but this angle is at the center and this angle is at the circumference. This angle Z is half of angle 250 degree. So angle Z equal to 250 degree divided by 2. So angle Z equal to 125 degree. Now we look at the example. Okay, given the angle 110 degree is subtend by arc 10 cm, and then angle X is subtend by arc 5 cm, same goes to angle Y. So from this diagram, we know that this arc length is twice of this arc length, 10 cm and 5 cm. So from the properties, we know that for the central angles of a circle subtended by an arc, the change in size of an angle, is proportional to the change in arc length. So if the arc length is twice, the angle also twice. Okay, so we know that if this angle is x, then this is 2x. 110 is twice of the angle of x. So angle x equal to 100 and angle x equal to 110 degree divided by 2. Okay, this angle of x equal to 55 degree. X equal to 55 degree. Now we look at angle y. Angle y subtend by the same arc of angle x. but angle X is at the center and angle Y is at the circumference. So angle X is twice of angle Y. This angle Y is half of angle X. Y equal to 55 degree over 2. Okay, 55 over 2, which means angle Y equal to 27.5 degree. So look at the example. Given the center O and then given the angle PRQ equal to 35 degree and angle PQS equal to X, we need to identify the value of X. Okay, so now we look at the angle. The angle given is 35 degree. So we look at the given informations. 35 degree is subtend by the arc of PQ. Okay, subtend by the arc of PQ, where angle PSQ also subtend by the same arc. This PSQ also equal to 35 degree. So PSQ equal to 35. Then how to determine the angle of X? Okay, we know that X, PQS form a triangle. So to know the value of X, we need to know the value of this angle. Okay, so we look at the angle. Okay, angle SPQ is subtend by the arc of SRQ, where SRQ is a semicircle. Okay, from the properties, we know that the angle at the circumference of circle subtended by the diameter is 90 degree. Okay, so this is semicircle and this is the diameter, and angle SPQ is subtended by the diameter. So this angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this angle equal to 90 degree. So now we can find the value of X. Okay, since we know that the total interior angle of triangle is 180 degree, this X plus 35 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. So X equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 35 degree. X equal to 55 degree. X equal to 55 degree.